Welcome to our video on how to choose the right packaging products for your logistics and warehousing needs. First, prioritize durability and strength. Look for packaging that can withstand the rigors of transportation and protect your products. Plastic pallet boxes are versatile options for heavy loads. Second, focus on efficiency. Choose packaging that is easy to assemble, stackable, and compatible with your storage systems. This maximizes space and streamlines handling. Third, consider sustainability. Our plastic pallet boxes and sleeve boxes are made from recyclable materials and are designed for reuse. Fourth, customize your packaging to meet your needs. Add branding elements or logos for brand recognition and an enhanced customer experience. Lastly, balance quality and cost. Investing in high-quality packaging can save you money in the long run by reducing product damage and returns. Choose the right packaging products to ensure safe transportation, efficient storage, and sustainability.